Hey there! Are you ready to create your special advent calendar? Let's get started. First, let's separate all the die-cut pieces and choose the sheets with diagonal stripe patterns from the available designs. We will use the striped sheets with the printed template on top to line the inside walls of our house, and the stripes will be a key guide for placing the shelves. Next, we will cut out all the pieces we need from the indicated pattern, leaving a bit of extra around each cutout so we can fully wrap each piece. Now we can glue the cutouts onto cardstock bases using double-sided tape or, if you prefer, scrapbooking glue, and use a bone folder to make sure everything sticks nicely. The two rectangles that will make up the roof should be covered with the striped pattern on the inside and with the red pattern on the outside. Let's use the pattern guide to create the inner walls, which will help us with placing the shelves. Using the numbered sheets of paper, we will create the 25 little boxes for the calendar, again using the bone folder and sealing everything with scrapbooking glue. Now it's time to put our structure together. Using some masking tape, let's secure all the cover pieces. Our project is finally come to life. Now we can glue in the shelves and place the boxes inside. All that's left is to cover the outside with these magical designs that immediately bring to mind the festive shop decorations and the beautiful character from the Nutcracker, the ultimate Christmas fairy tale. You can also attach a covering to the structure with double-sided tape. Finally, let's have fun decorating everything with the elements you will find in the kit, adding personality and extra dimension to the project.